Hi friends, here I'll be showing you how to recover lost files or mistakenly deleted files from your Windows or your external drives, like your USB drives, your SD cards, or your hard disk. There are many softwares, many ways to recover deleted files from your computer. Unfortunately, in most cases you have to pay. This method I'll be showing you, you don't have to spend a single cent to recover your files. Just go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to our channel because we'll be posting content like this on a daily basis. Straight to the point. So right now you want to go ahead to your browser. I'm using Google. Type Recuva. That's R-E-C-U-V-A, Recuva. You have it here. Okay, so you ensure to select this one, click on this. All right, so here you have download free version, Recuva Pro. We're just gonna go ahead and download free version, and here it says again free. You have professional, you have a one for 3 pieces. Here we're going for the free version, so download free download, select that. Let's scroll down. Gonna hit download again. Here we have the setup. Start download. Once download is complete, just proceed to let me show you the folder. Here is the setup. I'm going to right click on this, run as administrator, select install. Setup completed. Run Recuva. I'm just going to check on this. Do not show this wizard on startup, so you don't keep having this every time you open it. Select next. Okay, now you have options. The first option says all files. This means it's going to scan for all type of files, whichever format you want to recover. You want to recover pictures, music, document. It's going to scan for literally all the files on your computer or your external drive. But just in case you have a specific type of file which you're looking for and you don't want to waste so much time scanning all files, you can just proceed. For instance, let me say I'm looking for videos. I'm just going to go ahead and select this just for videos. If I want to recover only pictures, I'm just going to select pictures. Music, I'll select only music. So it goes that way. It's that easy. In this case, I'll just select video and select next. The first one says I'm not sure, search everywhere on this computer. This is asking you if you want to scan the entire computer, which is going to take more time. Otherwise, you have a choice of searching a specific location. Like here says on my media card or iPod, right? And here says in my document, in the recycle bin. So this software gives you different options to search in a specific location. So here I have selected this in a specific location, which means it will be redirected to that path or your USB. In case you want to scan your USB, this is what you should choose, or your hard disk or your SD card. So I'm going to select this, browse. So I'll go ahead and select my hard disk, this particular one. Select that and click OK. Once that is done, you have to go ahead and click next. Here you have options to enable deep scan. Deep scan actually takes a longer time to search for all the deleted files. Start with a regular scan just to save some time. And in case you don't find the file you're looking for, you can go ahead and scan again. And this time you're going to try with the deep scan. So let's go ahead first with the regular scan. Start. As you can see, it's scanning. It says stage 1 of 3. Here we have the recovered files. In this case, you have some red, green and yellow dots here. The red stands for unrecoverable. These are files that cannot be recovered. In this case of green is excellent. You can proceed to check on the green ones. And you see the yellow ones, very poor. which means the video might turn out to be bad quality in the cases where the video is corrupt or something. You can just go ahead and choose the green, still choose the yellow too, but don't bother choosing the red. So choose all greens first. Choose all greens. You don't have the choice of reviewing the video to see or to check which one it is actually. So you have to recover all first, then do that one after the other later. So I just check on all the green ones and choose this real quick here. Let's say for instance these are the files I want to recover, all the checked ones. If you want to recover all the files first, you can go ahead and click on this one here. Once you click on here, it's going to check all the files and you can recover everything at once. I've checked all these. Let's proceed to click on recover. Select that. Now you have the location. It's going to ask for the location where you want your files to be sent to. All right, let me do something real quick here. I will minimize this. Sorry. So on this desktop, I want to create a folder just to keep it organized. So I'm going to right click here, new folder. Here I'm going to do a recovered files. Okay, select that. Okay, now we go back to recover and we click on recover. Then we're going to go up to the desktop. Select this, select this. Okay, what happens is all the files you recovered from here will go straight in here, just to keep it organized. You know, you don't want all your recovered files jumping here and there and it's gonna be messy. So it's always good to create a folder when you want to recover your files this way. It says all total of 15 files, 14 fully recovered. All right, I guess it's the one corrupt file there that wasn't recovered, but that's fine. So just select OK, and now we're gonna go back. We're gonna open this folder here, double click on that. As you can see, all the files are here already, all the recovered files. Okay, these are the video files which I just recovered. In a case whereby you don't find the file you're looking for, you have to go ahead and do a deep scan. So close that, and we'll close this first. Now reopen this. I don't know why this is showing anyway, but select that, next. So as we went through this process before, you just go ahead and choose which one you want to recover, which file you want to recover. So I'm just going to go ahead for the videos again, next, and we're going to go back to location, browse, just the same way we did before, hard disk. All right, so hard disk and OK, next, and this time I'm going to select deep scan. And bear in mind, this deep scan is going to take a long time. It sometimes take hours. So when you do a deep scan, just you have to be patient with it, and just bear in mind it's going to take a long time. All right, and select start. Now deep scan is in progress, but we're not going to go through this deep scan. It's just the way I showed earlier. Once you have your recovered files, just select and you send your recovered files to the location which you created. As we can see here, it says 3 hours. So I have to wait for 3 hours if I want to recover this file. All right. So in this case, I'm not going through this deep scan. I'm just going to cancel it. Okay. I'm just going to cancel it. And so I hope this helped you. If you did, let me know in the comment section if you managed to recover that file you've been longing to get back, So smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. I need your support, guys. This will encourage me to do more, Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye. See you in the next video.